Hi inJoypreneurs! Welcome to inJoy's Christmas Special Recipe Ideas. Today, we will use our inJoy praise fries for this recipe. Since ito yung season na talagang hobby natin ang kumain, idagdag na natin ang praise fries sa list ng cravings nyo. Let's start! For our praise fries dough, just mix 1 liter of water and 500 grams or 1 pack of inJoy praise fries powder. Kung ayaw mo naman ubusin ang praise fries sa isang lutuan, always remember na ang reconstitution nito ay 1:2. Make sure na i-flat ng maigi ang prepared dough nyo sa ating praise fries cutter like so, para mas madali at maganda ang pag-extrude nito. Transfer na natin ang praise fries dough in our fryer. Make sure to check the temperature of your oil. It should be 175 Celsius to 180 Celsius and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Ingat-ingat lang inJoypreneurs and make sure na hindi masyadong mainit ang matika ninyo. Makikita nyo rin ang instructions sa packaging nito. Now for the fun part, let's add our mouth-watering wasabi and ketchup dip on the side. O diba? Christmas na Christmas ang feeling! That's it! Super quick and easy recipe na pasok sa cravings nyo inJoypreneurs. Make sure to stay tuned on our Facebook page and YouTube channel for our next episodes of our Christmas gift to you. Thanks for watching! Bye!